Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be taking you through how I put these earrings together. I'm calling them the Summer Breeze earrings and I really like them. I thought they turned out really elegant and beautiful, so I thought I'd share the design with you. Just to lay out everything you'll need for this project, you will need 3 jump rings for attaching your 3 charms. You will need the beads for your charms, which is one of our faceted round goldstone, 2 of these 6mm goldstone, and 3 space beads and 3 of the topaz bicones. We will also need 4 of these links, and we will need 8 more jump rings for connecting the links together, and 3 head pins. I'm using these ball head pins. I wouldn't recommend anything less than 40mm, and you can decide what earring fastening you're going to use to finish it off. So the first thing we're going to do is work on the main bit of the earring, the main design, and to do that I'm going to grab a jump ring, open it up, and I'm going to start connecting it all together. You want to start just about anywhere, just link 2 of your links together in any fashion to begin with, and then you want to work on the shape. So now I am opening another jump ring and I am going to connect the 2 corresponding loops just down from the first jump ring I added. To add the next connector, I'm going to open up another jump ring and I'm going to pick a side to work from, and I'm going to go ahead and add my jump rings in this fashion. So I'm going to have one there and one there. And add the next one. And now when it comes to adding the final link, we want to be adding our jump rings here, 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 and here. Now we have all the links added together, the earring is finally taking shape, and now we want to work on the charms. And I'm going to make a simple wrapped loop, which I have done with you many times before, but just for the sake of this video, bend your wire with enough room to wrap your loop, wrap around. Now if you want to attach it straight to the links from here, you can, but I want it to be a bit more fluid, so I'm not going to do that. I'm going to use a jump ring. And once you have completed this, you want to do 2 more charms. I have used 2 6mm for the next one. You could still use the faceted rounds, but I wanted a little bit of dimension added into the earring. As these charms really don't take very long to make, I'm just going to sit here and make them with you, so it helps. Repetition, repetition, repetition. It really helps you to learn exactly when to bend wire or how big you want loops and such. Just doing it a lot will help you in just gauging it. Sometimes you may need to take another pair of pliers and hold the loop just to help you tuck the pokey end away. And once you've completed your charms, it's just a case of adding them and the earring fastening that you are deciding to use. So you will need another jump ring, because I forgot about the one to add the earring post, and I'm going to do that first. And now to simply add your charms. And here we have our beautiful set of finished earrings. I really love this set of earrings. I think they are beautiful and elegant and perfect for a summer evening with perhaps a maxi dress. Maybe I'll look at making a necklace to go with it. We shall see. But I hope you will join me for future videos. We still have lots of plans coming up for this box, lots of inspiration flowing. Thank you for joining me. Take care and take it easy.